Are you making these common English mistakes? Many learners unknowingly repeat the same errors, making their English sound unnatural. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the most common mistakes English learners make, and how to fix them instantly. Stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is something even advanced learners get wrong. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, using I am agree instead of I agree. Many learners say, I am agree with you. But that's incorrect. Heavy check mark the right way, I agree with you. Cross mark the wrong way, I am agree with you. Agree is a verb, so we don't need am. Here's another example, cross mark I am understand. Heavy check mark I understand. Easy fix, right? Let's move on. Mistake number 2, using he go instead of he goes. Does this sound familiar? He go to school every day. Oops. In the present simple tense, we add s or es for he, she, and it. He goes to school every day. She watches TV in the evening. Remember this rule, and your grammar will sound much better. Mistake number 3, saying I have 25 years instead of I am 25 years old. In many languages, people use have for age, but in English, we use am. I have 25 years. Wrong. I am 25 years old. Correct. Here's another example, she has 30 years. She is 30 years old. A small change makes a big difference. Mistake number 4, confusing since and for. Many learners mix up since and for when talking about time. Here's how to use them correctly. Since, use it for a specific point in time. I have lived here since 2020. For, use it for a duration of time. I have lived here for 3 years. Try making a sentence using both, leave it in the comments. Mistake number 5, using more better instead of better. This is a mistake even advanced learners make. Many people say, this movie is more better than the last one. Wrong. But better is already a comparative word, so we don't need more. This movie is better than the last one. The same goes for words like worse, bigger, smaller. Never add more before them. Now you know some of the most common English mistakes. Are you guilty of any? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep improving your English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Guru for more amazing English lessons. See you in the next video.